Welcome to Soup the Recipes. Salt and pepper chicken wings, or what we call 椒盐鸡翅, is a popular dish in Chinese restaurants. 椒盐 is one of the 24 classic flavor types in Sichuan cuisine. Its character includes 咸香酥麻, which means salty, fragrant, crispy, and numbing. I know you have probably ordered these wings many times, but what I'm sharing is an authentic recipe that is different than the restaurant made. It tastes addictively delicious that I can devour day and night. I will also share many tips and techniques in this video. Once you learned, you can literally make salt and pepper anything. So please hit the like button and let's get started. I have got here 2 pounds of chicken wings. If your wings are very wet, use paper towels to dry them. Mine is not so bad, so I just roughly pat them. If you don't have chicken wings on hand, you can use boneless but skin-on chicken thigh. If you do so, please cut the chicken thigh into the same size as the chicken wings. Otherwise, you will have to adjust the cooking time in this recipe. For the marinade, we will use 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine. If you don't have it, dry sherry is a good substitute. Non-alcohol replacement for Chinese cooking wine varies from recipe to recipe. In this case, you can use the same amount of chicken stock or milk. Now, we're gonna grate ½ inch of ginger and 4 cloves of garlic. You have no idea how many times I cut my hand while using a microplane zester. So I really love this ceramic grater. It doesn't hurt you, even if you rub your fingers on it. Mix everything until well combined. Then massage the wings for a few minutes. We have to let this sit in the fridge for at least 1 hour. If you have plenty of time, you can also let the wings marinate in the fridge overnight. While waiting for the chicken wings, we'll move on to the Jiaoyan seasoning, which is the part that confuses most people because Jiaoyan translates as salt and pepper. But it is not the regular salt and pepper condiment. Instead, the name refers to Sichuan peppercorns. This is the ingredient that determines the authenticity of this dish. It's not spicy at all, but it has a strong citrus aroma that dominates the Jiaoyan flavor. It also has a unique tingling effect, which numbs your lip and tongue slightly and makes your taste buds more sensitive to flavors. That's why these wings are so addictive. I will link the Sichuan peppercorns in the description. You can check it out if you want to purchase it online. Stir the Sichuan peppercorns, salt, white and black peppercorns in a wok over low heat for 2 to 3 minutes, and then let them cool on the side. Transfer everything into a spice grinder and blend into a fine powder. Optionally, I like to mix in ½ tablespoon of red chili powder just to add a different spicy kick. By the way, they do have pre-made Jiaoyan seasoning for sale in Asian markets. Please check the production date before purchasing. You want to buy the newest possible because the Sichuan peppercorn aroma fades away in a few months once ground into powder. This Jiaoyan seasoning we made is more than what we need for this recipe. Please store the extra in a sealed container in the fridge for up to 5 months. You can literally turn any crispy foods into salt and pepper style dishes by simply sprinkling it on top. By now, the chicken wings should be done marinating. Take them out of the fridge and we're going to coat them. You will need 2/3 cups of all-purpose flour and 2/3 cups of cornstarch. Based on that, add 1 teaspoon of baking powder to introduce some lightness into the coating. Mix well. Please remember this rule whenever you are making a coating or a batter. Cornstarch doesn't contain any gluten, and less gluten means crispier texture. I know some of you may ask, why don't I use 100% cornstarch? What is the point of adding all-purpose flour? Well, the gluten helps to bind the starch together. Without it, the coating will be crispy, but it also falls off easily. Find a big container and spread a layer of flour mixture at the bottom. Place the chicken wings in one by one and cover them with another layer of flour. Put on the lid and shake really well. Open it and check to make sure the chicken wings are covered completely. If there are bald spots, press them repeatedly until coated well. You may need to do this in a few batches depending on the size of your container. You can also use a big plastic bag, but I decided to reduce the use of plastic from now on, so it's your choice. Shake off the excess flour and set the wings aside for 15 minutes to allow all the flour to bond deeper. If not, it will also fall off easier. While waiting, we can prepare the rest of the ingredient. I have here 4 cloves of garlic, 2 red chilies, 2 green chilies, and 1 inch of ginger. I sliced them thinly. 2 scallions, I diced them. Set everything aside. Heat 2½ cups of oil to 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Add the chicken wings one by one and fry for 5 to 6 minutes. Here is another rule that will improve your cooking skill. When deep frying, cook smaller items at higher temperatures and larger items at lower temperatures. Why? Because smaller ingredients cook faster. If frying at low temperature, they will not become crispy in a short time. As opposed, bigger ingredients take longer to cook. If you fry them at high heat, the outside will burn before the inside gets cooked through. Take them out and set them aside. You may need to fry all the wings in 2 to 3 batches depending on the size of your cookware. Use a sieve to eliminate the crumbs before you fry the next batch. Otherwise, they will burn and bring a bad taste to the oil. I know deep frying food always seems a bit hazel, and some people will think it is a waste of oil, but considered the amount, all these wings could cost quite a lot of money in a restaurant, not to mention that they taste 10 times better. Once the wings are done, they will not be golden brown. The color is very light. Don't worry, let them sit for 15 minutes. We will fry them again. Increase the oil's temperature to 380 degrees Fahrenheit and add the wings. They are cooked already. Double frying is to reinforce the crust. You only need like 3 minutes, and the wings will be beautifully golden brown. Take them out. You can use paper towels to absorb the excess grease, but I like to put them on a rack to drain. Pour most of the oil out of the wok and leave like 2 teaspoons behind. Add the garlic, ginger, red and green chilies. Stir over medium heat for a minute or until fragrant. Add the wings back into the wok along with the diced scallions. Sprinkle some Jiaoyan seasoning. I used ½ teaspoon, but you can adjust it based on your taste. Toss thoroughly. Honestly, you can totally eat the wings without this step, but the final stirring with these aromatics adds extra fragrance, flavors, and a touch of fiery spice, making the dish truly phenomenal. That crispy sound is music to ears. I can listen to it all day. Take a bite. You'll be blown away by its juicy and succulent meat. I like to pair it with an iced tea. You can do cold beer to quench the fire. This is the perfect appetizer for weekend gathering, parties, or big game day. I hope you give this a try soon. As always, the printable recipe link is in the description. Go check it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more easy and authentic Chinese food. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!